everyone, I'm Olena. I'm not showing myself because I actually would like to concentrate more on the Japanese washi paper. As you notice, I posted a couple videos about handmade jewelry where I use Japanese washi paper, and I told you there are different types of Japanese washi paper. Actually, I even dig deeper and I learn about the production of Japanese washi paper. Of course, we have mostly like mass production paper. It's not the true washi paper, but still the quality is very similar to the original one. And original washi paper is quite expensive. Sometimes you can buy as a texture paper, and I have a couple as well. But again, the more I learn about washi paper, the more I amazed what a beautiful material it is. So I was watching on YouTube different videos from different masters about Japanese washi paper and how they use it like for jewelry making. And I must say that many people are afraid of this material because it's thin. Requires some technique to show the beauty of this paper. In this video, I would like to tell you about some mistakes I found on YouTube channel in different videos. I finished a new collection of pendants and earrings with Japanese washi paper, so I need to take picture of this. But they're beautiful, as you can see. And I was able to save the pendant I was talking about in some other video. So as you can see, the Japanese you can do a lot with Japanese washi paper with stripe. It's different size of stripes, different kind of material. So the probably the most difficult part. It's what kind of base to use. It's adhesive. The Japanese paper is very adhesive. I really like it because I don't use any extra glue. I don't need any extra glue. And because different sizes, different colors, I can combine this paper. Also, like the big one, you can use the bigger size, right? And that's why you can use stripes or you can use this size of the paper. As you can see, I'm sorted out a little bit because I use Japanese paper like a lot. And for example, I made like in Van Gogh seam, this one lady ordered from me, and also like even this funny kind of bunny earrings. What do I use? Glue this Japanese washi paper. Like what kind of material? The base. And I told you in some other videos, there's more videos about like my work with Japanese washi paper. So I told you I use wood, I use metal, and I use sometimes paper. But I watch some YouTube channels, and some people suggest that you can use some plastic, like clear plastic, different size, and of course this is too thin. You can use like harder one, but the problem with the plastic, first of all, it's not easy to cut the shapes if the plastic is thick, and that's why it's better to create a shape than put washi paper on the top and then actually cover with a protector. And that's the second problem, the protector. The varnish doesn't work properly with this kind of type of plastic, like even vinyl plastic. Also, ultraviolet resin, you use the lamp, plastic becomes hot and deformated, like it's look ugly, honestly speaking, and it's not easy to work with ultraviolet resin when you put on the top of the plastic. And if you use a hard plastic, it's so difficult to cut it, so difficult, like to get the shape you want. That's why I think it's like you spend more time or money working with plastic when actually the best would be ready to use shapes. And they could be plastic as well, but again, it's better to order them than use just like this kind of material. Sometimes I use metal shapes. Metal shapes are different kind of like shapes. The metal shapes are not cheap, and they're usually expensive. You can make yourself actually some metal shapes. You can use even like can metal. or any other type of metal, so it will work. You can cover with metal paint, or you can use like raw metal. It's okay, but they're quite heavy. They cover it with some metal paint, and the paint is okay, very well. And I don't think I would like to cover entire surface with washi paper, because even in this way, these shapes are beautiful. So I would rather use like stripes of washi paper. And some masters actually shows like you can use some paper. This is like like packaging from actually washi paper stripes. It's white, it's smooth, I like it. It's a little bit thinner than I would like to have, but anyway, I can glue together. Some master says you can glue a couple paper sheets together and then cut cut like earrings the size you want. What I actually suggest, first create the shape. I mean, first cut the shape from paper, any size of paper, and after that paste this paper, washi paper. Why? Because it's not easy to have two symmetrical shapes if you have like thicker size. Like if you have paper like this size, like wooden size, believe me, it's difficult to cut and have a smooth edges and have symmetrical one. I have a paper cutter, but I found a paper cutter sometimes works like weird, and sometimes I have to use a scissors to cut the proper size. So I stopped working with the paper. Even I have it, maybe it was for some other projects. I'm working only with wooden shapes, and I'm very happy about wooden shapes. But my favorite material, as I said in some other video, it's wooden shapes, and I found they are perfect. They perfect match with Japanese washi paper. Why are they perfect? They're different shapes. They're light. They're not heavy. Like they're very light and different size, and they're smooth. So it's very easy to glue washi paper. Like they work perfectly with this type of shapes. And again, you can use so many different. They're very cheap. It's very cheap material, so you can get 100, 200 just for a few dollars. And again, it's you can use smaller size, bigger size, and whenever you have, even I have small pieces like this, small shapes. So whenever I have leftovers from washi paper, then I use the small size, and that's why even like little pieces of paper I can use on little shapes. That's why I'm really happy about these shapes. Also, I found the ultraviolet resin works with like wooden shapes perfectly. I mean, very easy to kind of control the edges, and then it doesn't become hot. It doesn't change the configuration. And as you can see here, like you can actually put any color on the back. I usually use stain, but even if you look at this, like this is the stripes I use, this is row by row. But so my point is that I found that instead of creating some kind of like something, like look for new material to put washi paper on, the wooden shapes are the best one. This is like my kind of experience. Maybe you kind of happy with other type of shapes and materials you use for your earrings and pendants, but believe me, it's a very simple and not expensive materials. That's why it's perfect for me. And I can, whenever I sell, the prices of my earrings are not high because it's not expensive material. Again, if something goes wrong, well, I'm not worried that I don't have more material, because I have quite enough material. I have quite enough shapes. When with metal, it's more expensive and different colors, I have to be more careful. With paper, it's always difficult to cut symmetrical. So that's enough for today, and I'll show you some other new techniques, what I'm doing in the future videos. So follow me, subscribe to my channel, and ask me a question if you like, and share the video, and I'll see you. Bye bye.